So this hose has been leaking, and I thought I'd try some of this stuff on it. I was told that you don't even have to turn the water off, that you can get this on there. So I thought, all right, let's see if they really mean that. And it's got another leak down here. I'd cut this bigger, but it was almost comical. Oops. I think this should have been on the other side, keeping it from sticking to itself. See, it's already rolled up on itself, so. I did use a small piece on my bathtub. Leaking there. Not sure if I blame the flex tape or my butchering of this cutting. Yeah, I should have probably put more on the end. Yeah. All right, one more attempt with the scissors and the, yeah, I should have unrolled it this way. Duh. Okay, that's much more manageable. I should have watched videos on this too. Now let's see if my poor scissors, which is all gummed up with the thing. Oh yeah, that's much better. Learn from my mistakes. Always better to learn from someone else's mistakes than doing it yourself. Do this where you won't see my fingers, my wounded fingers. That is, oh, much better. Okay, now I can do this. And I probably cut that way longer than I should have. Yeah, that's probably not going to be good. Ah. That may provide a leak. This stuff sticks. Okay, I give up. It wins again. And it's probably going to leak again because I probably botched that up again. I did buy the thing to fix this, where you cut the hose and join it. I'm tired. I'm very tired. I'm going in. And this stuff is expensive. It was $12 for this roll. I think it's $20. It's better to go ahead and get the $20 roll because it has double what the $12 roll has, so you save on there and use it wise. I didn't have a problem with my first piece. It was a small piece, and it was before I injured my fingers. Dang. Thanks for joining me. Hope you got more enjoyment out of this, because I certainly didn't get any enjoyment. Be a blessing and be blessed.